Sweet food.
Candy bar.
Candy bar. Kids love to eat candy bars. What about you? Chocolate.
Chocolate. It is tasty to eat a chocolate-covered strawberry.
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum.
You can blow bubbles with chewing gum.
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Mark is sucking on a lollipop in the candy store. Candy bar.
Candy bar.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chewing gum.
Chewing gum.
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Mark cries when his ice cream falls to the ground.
Cake.
Cake.
The candles on the birthday cake are being lit.
Jell-O.
Jell-O. Have you ever tasted a fruit and Jell-O mold?
Pancake.
Pancake. Do you pour syrup on your pancakes?
Pie.
Pie. She is making an apple pie.
Cupcake.
Cupcake. The woman is taking a bite of the cupcake.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Cake.
Cake.
Jell-O.
Jell-O.
Pancake.
Pancake.
Pie.
Pie.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.